Hello, I'm a DJ and this is a video review of my audio system to give you an idea or maybe to help you decide if you want to buy one of these. This is Lem Hurricane 200 from General Music, made in Italy. This is a very good and trusted brand and they produce a really good loudspeakers. It has a 12-inch woofer and the sound quality is very nice and they are very loud also. These are my Rcf Art loudspeakers. They are made in Italy and they have a 15-inch 500 watt woofer and 250 watts high frequency driver. They have a very natural sound and they, when it comes to the breathing, I mean and they are very loud. And what is most interesting to me on these speakers is that they have a very nice stereo field. They have a very nice separation left-right to the sound. You can watch the sound jumping between two of them. These are the kings of music, my Electro-Voice SX 500 pluses. I must say they have a very accurate and natural and full sound, and these are the loudest speakers I have ever heard. This is my DAP Palladium 2000 vintage. It is made in USA and it is a really good amplifier, and if you want to buy an amplifier, buy one of these and you will be very happy. I never clip in this amplifier. It produces 750 watts in 8 ohms per channel and 1050 watts in 4 ohms per channel. It is really good. I am very happy that I bought it. This is my Lem Twin14 from General Music, made in Italy. It has an internal amplifier and it produces 350 watts per channel in 4 ohms. I must say this is a really great live mixer and it is very solid and good for working, very professional. I love the mic presets that it has, as you see.